Good morning, students. Myself, Tanpure SP. I'm going to teach you a subject, MEM, that is Mechanical Engineering Materials. This subject is having certain course outcomes. Identify properties of a material. After learning this subject, you will be able to identify the properties of material. Also, you are able to select relevant ferrous material for mechanical components. Also, you are able to select relevant cast iron for the engineering application. Also, you are able to use non-ferrous metals for mechanical components. Also, you are able to suggest relevant advanced materials for mechanical components. Also, you are able to select relevant heat treatment processes. Means, after learning these subjects, you are able to do these things. Let's talk about the examination scheme of this subject. This subject is having a huge weightage of total 150 marks. Let's see how these 150 marks are divided. So your theory is having a weightage of 100 marks and practical is having a weightage of 50 marks. Let's talk about the theory. There is an end semester examination of 70 marks and PA, that is a progressive assessment of 30 marks. So end semester examination is external online examination and its assessment is computer based. Means this subject is having external online examination of 70 marks and 30 marks for progressive assessment. This 30 marks, it includes 10 marks for micro project and 20 marks for class test. Total is 100. Let's talk about the practical. So end semester examination is of 25 marks and what this hash indicates, that is external assessment. Means this subject is having the external practical examination of 25 marks and 25 marks are for progressive assessments. Means this 25 marks are for your practical assessment, whatever the manual you are going to prepare. So for that 25 marks are given. So likewise, this is the examination scheme for this subject. Let's talk about the units or topics of this subject. There are total 6 units. Unit number 1, basics of mechanical engineering. Means under this you are going to study the classification of material, their examples. Unit number 2, steel and its alloys. So weightage for this chapter is 14 marks. As you know, the steel is widely used material. So we are going to study in deep about this steel and its alloys. Unit number 3, a cast iron. So this unit is having a weightage of 10 marks. Next, unit number 4, non-ferrous metals and alloys, 10 marks. Unit 5, non-metallic and advanced materials for 12 marks. And unit 6, heat treatment process for 14 marks. So total is 70. Micro projects. As I already told, 10 marks are for micro projects. So one micro project per student, it's a group activity. Students in the group should not exceed 3. So you have to make a group of 3 students, maximum 3 students, and you have to do one micro project. Students should maintain a dated diary consisting their individual contribution in the project. Seminar presentation before submission of micro project. Submit micro project at the end of semester. And here, as I told, 10 marks are allotted for this micro project. Here, MSBT has suggested some list of micro projects. First, comparative study. You can do the comparative study of various materials used in previous and current generation components of mechanical engineering equipments like IC engine, compressor, turbine, pumps, refrigerator, water cooler with proper justification. Because for this comparative study, you can select any one of this application. Second, experimentation. You can determine the hardness of different metallic components. You have to select here minimum 5 metallic components and compare hardness and plot a bar chart indicating hardest and soft material in the given group. Third, a collection. Collect sample of various types of plastics, ceramics, composites used in day-to-day applications and prepare chart containing properties, applications of the samples. Also, we can collect the information related to types, properties and applications of smart materials from website. Present in the form of chart. This is the suggestive list of micro projects given by MSBT. So this table shows the learning resources, suggested learning resources by MSBT. So I suggest the best book for this subject is a Material Science and Metrology by author Kodgire Fidi, and publication is Everest Publication House, New Delhi. This is the widely used book for the mechanical engineering materials. I suggest you to refer this book to get concepts easily. Rest of books are also available for this subject. These are also best books, and all these books are available in our library. You can use these books, any one of these books. References. I prepared this presentation, whatever the content of these presentations. These presentations contents are from the msbt.org.in, and I accessed this site on 13 June 2020. Thank you, students.